Problems with your dance shoes? Keep watching, we are going to talk about it.
Toma lá cocktail.
Welcome to the first episode of Cocktails and Tips. I'm Philippe.Rita, I'm a urban kids teacher, and today I'm going to give you 3 tips on dance shoes. First tip, buy a size smaller. This way is shorter for you to feel the ground and to gain stability, and if you need to bend in your toes, you have the sole underneath and you don't get hurt. Second tip, covers for your shoes. Regarding stability, these little covers are perfect for that. They help you to get support and to break in turns or in faster movements. And guess what? They also protect your original heel of your shoes. Third tip, flexibility of your shoe. When you choose a pair of dance shoes, pay attention to the thickness of your sole. The thinner and more flexible your shoes are, the more freedom of movement you will give to your feet. For those who want more flexibility, I will give you a hack. Using your hands, bend and stretch your shoes a few times. You will see that during your dance, your shoes will follow better the movement of your feet. But be careful, only do this if your shoes are flexible like mine. So these were my 3 tips for your dance shoes. I hope you like it. Leave a comment if you think these tips are useful, and see you on the next episodes.
Toma lá cocktail.